friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and cozy, a cute little house. So grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the roof of the house. Nice big triangle shape on top. Now, draw the walls coming down from both sides. In the middle, let's add a door, nice and round at the top. Above the door, let's draw a round window. Perfect. On the side of the roof, add a chimney going up. Let's make the house extra cute. Draw 2 flower tubs on each side of the house.
Yay!
Now, add a window on the wall, next to the door. On the roof, draw some wavy lines to decorate it. Looks amazing! Add some shadows here and there to make it look real. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing of a cute house is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops out. Wow, looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We're going to use lots of bright colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Light green color. blue color.
La da 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 dee.
So colorful. Your house looks amazing. Awesome job, little artists. You did fantastic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.